To gain extra visibility and understanding of your AI agents and users, you have the Overview and Session Explorer dashboards. To access these dashboards, enter your project and click on the Overview tab. This dashboard shows the number of messages sent and which were violations. It also distinguishes between prompt violations and response violations. You can also see the threat level of each policy, as well as a summary of policy violations and actions that have been taken by the guardrails. Moving over to the Session Explorer, here you can see which messages have been sent in real time. Every message is logged here, even those that don't violate policies. You can filter the messages according to the type of policy or action. Or you can filter according to certain keywords. Click on the summary bar to get real-time analytics and summaries. You can also click on each message and reveal the extraction parts of the message. Finally, up here, you can see your better response rate, which reflects how your app's responses have improved since using Aporia's guardrails. These are super useful dashboards that you can use to gain visibility inside your AI.